Hello guys, today we will discuss about a mathematical chapter. It's called circle. In our daily life, we see many things like as bangles, pizzas, wheels and rings. These all things are looks like a circle. The question is this: what is circle? In a simple way, we can say that circle is a set of many points. Simple way, that is, circle is set of many points, and by definition we can say that the locus of set of all the points in a plane surface which has a fixed distance from a fixed point. This locus is called circle. Okay. The definition of the circle is this: the locus of the set of all the points in a plane surface which has a fixed distance from a fixed point. This locus is called a circle. Okay, guys. Now we discuss about the parts of the circles. Parts of circles. First of all, the shape of the circle is look like as this. This is the fixed point of the circle O, and here is many points on the boundary of the circle like as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, etc. These all points, the locus of all these points beside the O point are called the circle. This, first of all, the fixed point O, origin point O, is called the center of circle. The fixed distance OA, OB, OC, OD and OE are always remain same and called radius of the circle. Radius of circle. In short, capital R. Now we discuss about chord of a circle. Chord means this: 2 points on the circle boundary. Here is 2 points on the boundary of the circle. A line who joins the point E and I. A line who joins the point E and I are called chord of circle. Chord of circle. The chord of circle joins the 2 points of a circle. So we can say that the longest chord of the circle is diameter of a circle. We can say that the longest chord of the circle is the diameter of the circle. Longest chord diameter. Here is the relation between diameter and radius. Diameter is twice of radius. D equals to 2r. D equal to 2r. D is always equal to twice of radius. D equals to 2r. Okay, thank you.